My name is Kerry Seeley. I'm the Digital Support Officer for Medrwn. We are the County Voluntary Council for Anglesey and we support individuals and communities across Anglesey. As part of my project, which is called Technology in Care, I've been helping people get online for the first time, helping them set up their NHS app Wales registration, which helps them order their repeat prescriptions online. I'm definitely finding that the main barriers have been people who may be able to use a tablet or a mobile phone, but who may only access their emails from a home computer, which has been the biggest barrier for me really, is having to maybe home visit people who only have that home access to emails. But I would say the biggest barrier I've faced is a lack of skills and confidence, where people, they might be able to handle a mobile phone, but I do find that when it comes to things like verification codes and being able to prove who they are on the NHS Wales app, that's been my biggest barrier.
So my name's Deborah Kalaji. I'm the practice manager in Amlux Surgery. As a practice, we've always been quite keen in embracing change, and we were one of the highest number of patients that used the My Health Online app. So I think that was immediately relevant to when the NHS Act came in, that we needed to speak to those patients and say, you've got to make this move, we'll support you, and explain to them all the benefits that come with it.
I'm Lon Mosley. I'm a Digital Inclusion Advisor for Digital Communities Wales. We worked with Medrwn for quite a few years. We've supported them originally as part of their local asset team. We trained them up as digital champions, so they were able to go out and support their communities. Then we met Kerry and we started working on the My Health Online.
I first got involved with Digital Communities Wales when I was running a project called My Health Online, very similar to that of the new NHS Wales app, where people wanted to register with their local surgery to be able to look after their health and well-being on an app or on a website. Following training from Digital Communities Wales, which was a course about digital champions, I've been able to support others in the community who want to support their communities by helping them get the skills to develop others in their local communities, meaning that we have volunteers across the island if needed to help their local area.
The work Kerry has been doing with the surgeries on Anglesey is vital for the success of the NHS Wales app. It just means that they have someone locally to support them when they need that first steps to use the app.
It was invaluable. As the problem is that the patients think that the surgery know the answers to all the problems, or the staff think the practice manager knows the answers to all the problems. I'm incredibly busy, so having someone like Kerry come in who just can give patients that time and experience that she's picked up through all the people she's earned, this could be that scenario, this could be the reason why. It's taken so much pressure off the practice.
Following the support from Digital Communities Wales, we were put in touch with the Good Things Foundation, and we are now part of the data bank network across the UK, which means that we can support people who don't have access to Wi-Fi on Anglesey.
I think with the app, at the moment, prescriptions, appointments, there'll be other things like using it to make notes about your own health, access to records, immunisation history, blood test results. They've all got potential, but practices will need to make sure they've got processes in place before they just switch those on.
When I've been out in the community, either in a local surgery or a local community hub, what I have found is when I'm having a one-to-one conversation with that person who wants NHS help with their app, I found it gives me a chance to have maybe a deeper conversation with them. Do they need any other help from Medrwn? Are we able to support them with our Community Link project? Are they maybe lonely or isolated, in which means that other projects that we have can support them, such as Community Link or even our Car Link project. And it's just a chance really to have a deeper one-on-one conversation with someone, telling them about our other projects.
The app has gone from strength to strength in terms of the number of patients using it, and hopefully there's a big new world ahead for it.